I am trying to install an app from Play Store, but as you can see, it's showing me an error. Your device is not compatible with this version. So let's see how to fix it. So let's exit first from Play Store and open your phone settings here. Now here in settings, open your app section. Now search here Play Store and open its info. Now first step what you have to do here, you have to open storage and cache option. So here you have to clear its storage first. Now let's go back and open your Play Store again. And here tap on your profile icon. You can see here an option of settings. Open your settings. Now open your about section. So here you can see Play Store version option. In this section tap on update Play Store and update it. So after updating your Play Store, open it again. Now let's go back again in Play Store version and let's check it's updated or not. As you can see, a new version of Play Store is downloaded and installed. Now let's go back and search that app which was creating the issue. And as you can see now, device compatibility issue has been fixed and you can install your required app now. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, so please subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Till then, goodbye.